Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to place a stock trade CIBC Investors Edge, and this is actually what it says on the official website. So watch till the very end to understand the entire step-by-step process. At first you're going to go to trading, and under that you're going to select trade stocks and EFTs just like shown here. At first trading and then trade stocks and EFTs, and then you're going to choose the account and then the trade type. Do you want to buy or sell? And then enter the symbol like which stock do you want to trade, and then choose from the search results and then enter the quantity of shares. How much do you want to either buy or sell, and then choose the order price, order expiry, everything, and then select the account to pay from or to pay to, and then you're going to click on next. And just like so, everything should be filled up. Click on next, and then finally you need to enter your trading password and then select submit order, and all of this should be done. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, take care and stay tuned.